Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Maps and granting location access so results match your position. Type your destination or drop a pin. This establishes the route endpoint. Once done, tap Directions and pick the transport mode because each mode calculates different roads and times. Make sure to set your starting point to current location or a saved place. This prevents accidental detours. Finally, glance at suggested routes. Google usually shows fastest and shortest options, so you can choose based on time or distance. Now you refine the route to match real needs. Compare the suggested alternatives by time, distance, and whether they include tolls or heavy traffic. Add intermediate stops by tapping Add Stop and reorder them by dragging. This optimizes multi-stop trips without remaking the plan. Use the Route Options menu to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries when necessary. If you have a schedule, set a departure or arrival time so Google factors in predicted traffic and provides a more accurate ETA. Start navigation and follow the voice prompts while watching on-screen lane guidance for complex junctions. If Google reroutes you because of incidents or faster roads, review the alternatives and tap to select a preferred path, or choose Resume Original Route if you want the initial plan. If navigation fails, check GPS signal, confirm location permissions, and ensure mobile data is on. Alternatively, download offline maps for the area so you can navigate without connection. That single troubleshooting tip will fix most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.